Don't know if it really makes a difference or not, but I set up my laser on the stove here, and I leveled out all three of these pins that the oven box sits on, and I just got it to touch the tops of all of them. I did that with those three and these three for the burner box. I have no idea if it makes a difference or not, because these all these units are cast, and whether they're cast to tolerance of square and true is yet to be seen. It might make a difference once I put it on, and one is a little too low or it rocks a bit, well, then I'll adjust it from there once it's in, and just tighten it up to so that there's no rocking going on. It may not actually make any difference at all. I'm also using on all my bolts here anti-seize. I'm a bit of anti-seize fanatic. I like using it on anything that I don't want to electrolysize or whatever and end up being stuck at a later date. So hopefully this will help. I don't think it mattered anyways, because all these bolts came out before, except for one or two on some of these old steel cast parts broke off, but I think I can drill those and retap them.